Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by verifying your Windows 10 build and whether you run 32-bit or 64-bit, because the DirectX installer adapts accordingly. Once done, download the official DirectX end-user runtime, June 2010, and save it. Make sure to close games and temporarily disable antivirus to prevent blocked files. Then right-click the installer and choose Run as Administrator, so the installer can write DLLs into System32 or SysWoW64. This step places Zinput13 DLL correctly rather than copying random DLL. Run the DirectX installer and accept defaults. It extracts needed libraries and installs them to system folders. After installation, verify Zinput13 DLL exists in C, \Windows \System32 for 64-bit, and in C, \Windows \SysWoW64 for 32-bit compatibility. If the DLL is present but errors persist, open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scano to repair protected system files and dependencies. Make sure Windows Update is allowed to fetch any missing Visual C++ redists, because dependency mismatches often cause loading failures. Reboot Windows to finish registration and release any locked DLLs. After restarting, launch the game or app. If it still reports Zinput13 DLL missing, reinstall that game to refresh local files and verify install integrity. If the error persists, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health from an elevated prompt to repair Windows Component Store. One key troubleshooting tip: never download Zinput13 DLL from random DLL sites. Use DirectX redistributable and Windows tools, because mismatched DLLs create further instability.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.